Hello guys, wanted to share a quick tip on how to actually make your three-way look uniform. Okay, so pretty much what I mean by uniform, if it's down on this side, the light is on, it will also be down on the other side when the light is on. So when the light is on, both switches is going to face the same position. Okay, so let's put it off here. This one goes up. When this one would be down, for you to put the light on, it also gonna be up. Okay, that's gonna be uniform. Some homeowners actually like it that way. For them, it's neater. Okay, and we're gonna show you how to wire it. So if you do whatever you do on this side, you would have to do on the other. That's how it would be uniform. So what I would say, you're done using your common screw, your 14-3, you would have to put red here, black there, and the other switch, you would have to also do red here, black there. Or if you choose to put the red over there, black there, and the other switch also, you would do the same. And that's how it would be uniform. So whenever you turn on your light, both switch would always face the same position. You see, down. And if I choose to put it up on this side, that side, if I'm willing to turn on the switch, it would also be up. Okay? So we're gonna switch this configuration. We're gonna switch that up. You're gonna see what it gives us. Okay? All right, we just actually changed the configuration of the first switch. Let me show you guys. You see how it looks now? My traveler wire black is on top of the other black compared to how it looked before. So let me show you. Okay, so in this one, so pretty much the same thing that's over there. This one is slightly different. So let me show to you the new ways. You see how now I turn off the light here, it's up, and on that side, to turn it on, I have to put it down. If that's how you wired your three-way, you can see this is your common screw right here. This is your travelers, one here and one on the other side right here, which is that's where the black goes. Okay, you see common screw, red on top. Common screw, black on top. The light will still work, but what you're gonna have whenever you switch them on, this one is on, that other side would be on the off position. When you put this side on the off position, you're trying to turn it on this side, and then it would be on the off position. All right, so if this side is on the on position, that side would be on the off position when the light is actually on.